Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to format pie chart labels in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data category column and sales amount. Okay, I select here the entire data to create first pie chart. So you just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the Insert tab and in Charts group, click on the pie charts option. And click on the first option, the pie chart. And here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab and Format tab. Okay, now here I'm going to format the labels. Just click on the plus sign in Charts Elements, and here you can see the second option is Data Label. Just click on this box to add the data labels, and click on the arrow and see the here some position you can set for the data labels. In center, inside end, you can see the here preview. In outside end, you can set the position, best fit, data callout, and more option. Okay, so here you can see there are some more option for labels. So labels contain the first is a value from the cell. So you can add the value from the another cells also. Just click on this arrow, and here you can see data labels range. Okay, just click on this arrow and select the range of any value. So I randomly add here the this range. Okay, so these values, and click on the arrow. Now you can see here the changes is values automatically added with the sales amount. Okay, click on OK and see the 200, 800 is all the values is added here. Okay, so this way also you can add the value from the cell. I just untick the option and I remove this. Okay, and the second option, the series name. So I just click on this box, and even the series name also added. What is the series name? Series name is the column name. Okay, cells amount. Okay, here the cells we are added. Okay, and the categories name. I just click on this box. Now you can see categories name also added. Okay, the mobile, laptops, accessories, tablets. Okay, so the all category is added. Okay, then percentage. If you want to add percentage, just click on the box. Percentage also added. You can see. Okay, legends key is also added. Okay, legends keys. This is the legends keys. This is small box is a legends keys. You can see the small box here added as per the category. Okay, so this way you can use the labels option. Okay, to format your labels in pie chart. Okay, and here the separator. Just click on this arrow. Already comma is a separator, is after the cells is comma, then the category mention, then the amount mention, then again comma, then percentage mention. You can use your different separator also, semicolon. So if I choose here the semicolon, see the after the cell semicolon, okay, category semicolon, then amount, after the amount the semicolon showing. So this way you can change the separator also, the label position, center, set the center, inside, outside, best fit. Okay, so this is a way you can use this label option. Okay, so hope you have understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.